Welcome. Today we're sharing about the Vista Canyon community in Canyon Country of Santa Clarita. Built from 2020 to 2021, the community consists of detached homes, apartments, and retail or office space. In this video, we'll focus on the two neighborhoods of detached homes specifically of interest to buyers. This video is presented compliments of your local realtors and brokers, Matt, Meray, Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Let's get started. Built by KB Homes, the detached homes are split into two subdivisions called Bluma and Auburn. The neighborhoods are situated together but completely separate from the apartments and other areas of Vista Canyon. Auburn and Bluma residents enjoy their own private HOA amenities, and there's also the lovely new Vista Canyon Park situated at the northeast edge of the community. The Bluma homes are sized from 1,401 to 1,690 square feet. Each home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and available in 3 different plans. The homes in the Auburn neighborhood are larger, sized from 1,855 to 2,312 square feet. These are also available in 3 different plans. Each home comes with between 3 and 5 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3 bathrooms. All the homes are quite nice, and the architect made outstanding use of interior space with contemporary open floor plans. Here in Vista Canyon, there are no homes with large yards, but most come with a small patio-sized yard. HOA amenities include a recreational center, swimming pool, spa, barbecues, half basketball court, and a tot lot. Residents also enjoy easy access to miles of trails, and the Vista Canyon Community Park has tennis courts, a basketball court, and is within walking distance. Commuters will also appreciate the new Metrolink and bus transfer station. Although there are some retail establishments directly within the community, it's just a short drive to a variety of shopping and dining locations. Nearby schools include Golden Valley High, La Mesa Junior High, and Sulphur Springs Elementary is about a third mile to the east. To learn more about Vista Canyon and view listings of homes for sale, see the full report at gregoryrealestategroup.com/neighborhood/Vista-Canyon. As always, we appreciate the opportunity to be of service, and remember, with us, there's never any sales pressure whatsoever. Have a good day. Bye now.